Well, we all know that soil is really important for our plants, and this time of year it's quite a good time to test your soil and see what it's like. And there are lots of things available, and we've just picked out 3 for this particular month.
Some interesting things here.
Emma, do you want to tell us about yours?
Well, I've got a little pH meter here from Dobies, and this is all it does is a pH meter. So on one side we've got acidic, the red, and it goes to the green, and literally you just put it into the soil. I think it's always best if the soil's moist, isn't it? I think for these things.
Down to sort of root level.
And root level. And this is coming up with this compost is around about 6.
About 6.
6, just over, about 6. Which probably would have, it's about right for some compost.
Yeah.
What about you, Steve? What about yours?
Well, I've got this all dancing model from Silverline, and it does everything. It's a lovely gadget. pH tests, Emma's there. It's a light meter as well, and it's saying on this lovely sunny day it's 2,000 something or others. I'm not quite sure what. Yeah, so it's pretty light. And moisture, which is quite handy for pot plants and things, isn't it? And even house plants, that sort of thing. So I've just watered this pot here, and not surprisingly the needles shot up to 10, I think. We're settling down a little bit now. 9.
It's simply a matter of using that switch to
just use the switch to check for all 3.
Excellent.
So I don't know, let's try. I'll put it on pH and see what we get with that. About 6.5ish. Yeah, it's just coming down. I think if you leave them in for a bit, they adjust themselves a bit. So it gives you a pretty good idea, doesn't it?
Okay. Well, something quite different is this little chemistry set of liquids and powders. This is from 2S. A little bit more sophisticated in that you can check your pH, which we've done now, which looks.
It's gone green.
Gone green. Alkaline-ish. And you can also test your NPK, so you can look for your nitrogen in your soil, your phosphorus, and also your potassium. So if you want a little bit more of a sophisticated reading of what you've got in your soil, these are quite good. Plus, with this particular one, you get 60 tests.
So
you can look at different parts of your patch and where you might find there's some variation.
So yours has gone green.
And then you do get a lovely little chart there.
So what's the green one? So your
let's have a look.
Your green is.
That's
so there's
pH,
the pH.
is
So
it?
it's looking a little bit neutrally, probably neutral towards about 7.
And that's your ordinary soil, your garden soil.
That's ordinary garden soil. You can obviously test for individual elements too.
Excellent.
So some range there for depending on how much you've got to spend and what you're actually looking for.
Yeah.